Hi, I'm Julie from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share effortless ideas for entertaining, easy recipes, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm sharing my easy crostini recipe with you. I bet you didn't know how much power one little appetizer could have. These are so incredibly easy to make, and they are a catering staple. In my years of entertaining and event planning, this is like my go-to recipe because you can adapt them in so many ways. They're great on their own or dipped in a little bit of ricotta, any kind of dip that you want to put them with. You can top them off with goat cheese and caramelized onions, strawberry and brie, or something like ricotta and cherry tomatoes. Any which way you do it, they're always amazing. But these little crostinis are going to be the base of so many of your very favorite recipes. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. First, we're going to preheat your oven. If you have the option, preheat it to broil. If not, go as high as your oven goes. We're going to get started by just slicing up a baguette. You can slice them at an angle for a little added flair or straight on, but you're gonna slice them thin so they bake and crisp up nicely. You can use your favorite kind of baguette. Here I'm using a French, but you can use Italian, ciabatta, even focaccia. Anything you'd like goes. You can also use stale bread to make crostini. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line our cookie sheet with our crostini. And you're always going to make about 10 times more than what you think because they go over so incredibly well. If you have an oil spritzer, this is a really easy way, quick and easy way to do these as well. But like I said, these take just a few minutes. Now we're just going to brush on a little olive oil. Anything to make your herbs adhere and just really give them a nice flavor. Now on every crostini, I always like to use a thick flake of sea salt. And that's just sea salt out of any grinder. The olive oil will help it adhere. And again, it just gives these a nice hint of flavor. Now, pepper is completely optional, but again, I have it set to thick flakes. And now we're just going to bake them for about 1.5 minutes. I mean, seriously, it doesn't get any easier than this. Let's throw them in. As you can see, these crostini are so easy. Toasted on both sides, nice and crunchy. Keep watching for more easy recipes.